If you need a nap every afternoon, your cells are trying to tell you something important. Your mornings might be okay. You wake up, get going, feel relatively normal. But then, afternoon hits. Somewhere around 2 or 3 o'clock, it's like someone pulled your plug. Your eyes get heavy. Your brain gets foggy. All you want is sleep. You fight through it. More coffee, maybe sugar. You push yourself to keep going. But the exhaustion never really leaves. Some days you give in. You nap on your lunch break. You close your eyes at your desk. You count the hours until you can go home and collapse. Here's what I need you to understand. This isn't normal, and it's not because you're lazy or out of shape. Something is happening at the cellular level. Let me show you what's going on inside your body. Your mitochondria are supposed to produce steady energy throughout the entire day, morning to night. No crashes, no desperate need for naps. When mitochondria are healthy and abundant, your energy stays consistent. You power through afternoons without thinking about it. But when mitochondria are damaged or depleted, they can't sustain energy production. They run out of capacity by midday. Think of it like a phone with a damaged battery. It might charge to 50% but never reaches full. By afternoon, it's dead. That's your cells right now. You're not tired because you didn't sleep enough. You're tired because your cells can't produce enough energy to last the full day. Coffee doesn't fix this. Caffeine masks the exhaustion temporarily, but it doesn't give your cells more capacity. The crash always comes back. What depletes mitochondria to this point? Years of chronic stress, accumulated sleep debt, inflammatory foods, environmental toxins, and after 30, mitochondrial function naturally declines. About 10% every decade. The afternoon crashes get worse with every passing year. But here's the good news. You can support your mitochondria, help them rebuild capacity, restore all-day energy production. Scientists discovered natural compounds that support mitochondrial health and energy production. Maqui Berry is loaded with antioxidants that protect mitochondria from oxidative damage. Healthier power plants mean sustained energy. Rhodiola helps cells produce energy even when you're stressed and depleted. Perfect for powering through demanding afternoons. Cacao promotes mitochondrial biogenesis. Your body creates new healthy mitochondria, more power plants, greater energy capacity. Haematococcus protects mitochondrial DNA from damage. Amla reduces the inflammation draining your energy. Schisandra enhances overall cellular vitality. I want to be upfront with you. The link in the description is an affiliate link. I may earn a small commission if you try it. This comes at no extra cost to you. I only share what I genuinely believe can help. A company called Midland combined all 6 compounds into one formula, designed to support your mitochondria so your energy lasts all day long. Imagine getting through the whole day without that afternoon crash. No desperate need for naps. No fighting to keep your eyes open. Just steady, natural energy. They offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. 3 months to see if supporting your cells brings back your all-day energy. If afternoon exhaustion is ruining your days, check the link in the description. Your cells might just need support. This is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. Your health comes first. You deserve to feel energized from morning to night. Your cells just need the right support. If this explained your afternoon crashes, give it a like. Subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Here's to powering through your entire day.